Hello, Team Kaibigang Oso. Good morning! Good morning!
Morning!
Hello! So this is just a quick video to thank everybody for sharing your greetings with us. For me, thank you very much. I really appreciate everyone dropping by sa aking inbox, sa aking wall, at sa lahat ng mga social media platforms. Thank you, and not only because you've greeted me, but thank you because one way or another, you have been instrumental also to where I am now. Salamat dahil through the Lord, your lives have been used also, no, to touch my lives, and I hope I was also able to do the same. So yun lang. Okay, so yun lang. Good morning, and thank you once again. Happy June.